Hi everyone, my name is Anna Atkinson and I own Bella Corpo Aesthetic Center Spa. I couldn't be more grateful to be here. I've had the experience of attending the Leap Ahead seminar, which has happened, and I have to say that everything that I was wishing for and asking for a long time, clarity, guidance, it's there. I am amazed. I went back to my business the next day and I implemented a lot of the things that I learned. Now I have business cards, transformation, it's happening in my business. My girls are excited. They can see just from day one that we implemented everything, the change. And I am here today attending the book writing seminar. Again, my expectations were way above and beyond met, and I am amazed with what I'm doing. I could not really see how, I couldn't see before how I could write a book, but today it's just amazing how, not simple, but how when you have the right process, when somebody teaches you how to do it, you can do it and it's possible. And I really recommend everyone that want to take their business to the next level to really join first, obviously, the program with Doree, and to just come to the seminars and, like she says, just do what I tell you to do and you will be successful.